know that why we avoid doing hard things, which are actually not hard, but we still avoid. The reason is being that the hard things is based upon your day-to-day experiences which you do on a daily basis. For an example, let's suppose that you have decided to run for 2 kilometers every day, and it can be easy or hard based upon your thoughts. So let's suppose randomly a thought came into your mind that नहीं यार मेरे से कैसे होगा, मैं कैसे 2 किलोमीटर भागूंगा every day. So that thought made that thing hard. But the point is that when you convert that negative thought into a positive one, like for running I will walk, I will not run but I will walk. So these practices will give your life a compounding growth, and believe me, your life will be more energetic and more meaningful. See you tomorrow.